All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill that we just had done for a customer. This one here is a bottom piece. It's 8 on the bottom, and it is 925 sterling silver. So it's real silver, guys. Now, this is the permanent cuts. You see these lines in between each tooth? Those are the permanent cuts. It's cut all the way to give it the nice style, which is a permanent cut, okay? And it gives it a definition. Beautiful set, bottom piece. If you look on the back side here, it's not cut, okay? Because this is actually one piece still. It's a one-piece grill, but it is cut in the back. And this is available on our website, this particular style. If you want to get yourself something like this, check the link in the description. It'll take you right to the product page, and you can get a bottom, you can get a top, or you can get a set. You choose how many teeth you want. That's up to you. It's handmade work, that's what we're known for, Bling Cartel. Grillz. Check us out, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.